Welcome to Zwida Media. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Here's a new video for today. Enjoy.
Yeah, this is my province and this is a place we have been. We were here with the National Commissioner a few months before the King Kotam. It does bring back some emotions because we're here to launch the Royal Police together with the King. We spent some time here, we had lunch together and all that. Province, but it's good. We have been here several times. It's just good. I just wish that these young people, they're given an opportunity to grow and become good citizens, and then this is the way as those that they are taking them through, holding them by hand to make sure that they become good citizens.
And Minister, I mean, we've heard that Amabutho has a role to play as Amabutho, as part of the security of the nation as well. Have you spoken to them?
Well, Amabutho, unfortunately, their chief leader, again, is no more. All that. But Amabutho, they've got their own leadership in Duna, Zamabutho and all that. We always talk to them. We always find the way of blending together how best to do the work and how best they become the security and just the pride. When the King Kotam, there was a big talk, especially fanele indoda yomZulu ibe yibutho so asinayo inkinga babutho ya nami ngibuthiwe nami ngiyibutho ungaboni nje namhlanje bengize emsebenzini, otherwise uzongibona ubone nezithu ukuthi nginesithu indaba zokulala.
Just one more question, Mr. Minister. Yesterday, very late, there was that memo that circulated from the government of KwaZulu-Natal saying the Reed dance is now going to Wakangela Mangengani. Were you ready to move the security to Wakangela Mangengani at short notice? And again, were you informed about that change? Because we understand that the memo was legit. It was communicated to us, communicated to us as the Minister of Police.
Well, the agility of the security forces must be there. We are agile to go wherever we're supposed to go. But I was told that we are going to Wakangela. 2 hours later, I was told that we are coming back at the New Game. So there was no business to change things and all that because by the time it was set, almost all logistics were just here. It was going to be difficult. But I spoke to the Premier at the end of the day and the MEC for Transport and Police, and we agreed that everybody has agreed that we are coming to a new game. Here we are now.
I do understand that sometimes you don't disclose the number of police officers on the scene, but can you do it for the sake of
even this time I want.
Thank you.